diving into the fascinating world of money and uncovering some hidden secrets that you might not be aware of. Money plays a significant role in our lives, yet there are certain aspects that often go unnoticed or unexplored. In this video, we'll shed light on some of these hidden secrets, empowering you with valuable knowledge that can positively impact your financial journey. Let's get started. Did you know that the power of compound interest can work wonders for your finances? When you invest or save money, the interest earned not only grows your initial amount but also accumulates interest over time. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows exponentially. Harnessing the power of compound interest is a key secret to building wealth and achieving financial goals. Our mindset around money can significantly impact our financial success. The secret lies in cultivating a positive and abundance-oriented mindset. By adopting beliefs that support your financial goals, you'll attract opportunities and develop a healthier relationship with money. Recognize any limiting beliefs you may have and replace them with empowering thoughts that align with your financial aspirations. There are hidden costs that often go unnoticed, eroding our finances over time. From subscription services we no longer use to impulse purchases, these expenses can accumulate and hinder our financial progress. By becoming more aware of our spending habits and making conscious decisions, we can avoid unnecessary costs and redirect our money towards what truly matters. Having a robust savings plan and emergency fund is vital for financial stability. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, and having safety net in place ensures that we are prepared for life's uncertainties. Saving consistently and setting aside funds for emergencies is a secret to financial peace of mind and a safeguard against unexpected financial burdens. One of the most valuable secrets about money is the power of financial education. By investing time in learning about personal finance, budgeting, investing, and wealth building strategies, you gain the knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions. Continuously educating yourself about money empowers you to take control of your financial future. There you have it, the hidden secrets about money that can transform your financial outlook. By understanding the power of compound interest, adopting a positive mindset, managing hidden costs, prioritizing saving and emergency funds, and investing in financial education, you can unlock a world of possibilities and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key to financial success lies in awareness, knowledge, and taking consistent action. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from these hidden secrets about money. Until next time, take care and stay financially empowered.